Hello beekeepers, this is Wally from Wally's Bees. Today we're going to be doing an oxalic acid treatment on a honeybee hive. This video was requested by Charlie Van Denhenville. Hope I didn't butcher that name too badly. With that, again, this is for educational purposes. Anytime you do any kind of treatment or anything with your beehives, please do the research yourself. Make sure you get the right equipment and the right things for your hives in your area. With that, I'm going to show you some of the tools needed. First, we're going to need obviously some wood bleach or oxalic acid. You can find this on any hardware store, Amazon, eBay. It goes about between 8 and 10 bucks. You're going to need a protection from the fumes, a battery, 12 volt, and I have a charger going on mine to help with the vaporizer, and of course, you know, the honey hive. Here's my observation hive, and the hive is doing really well. The girls are a little anxious to get out right now. And of course, the last thing you'll need is a vaporizer. So you pick this up on Amazon. I'm not trying to tell you guys anything. This is just something that I purchased. Make sure the one that you do buy is going to fit your needs. This one is doing okay, but I think I'm going to buy a bigger one. Sometimes cheaper is not better. So with that, we're going to start the treatment. So what you're going to need is about a teaspoon, depending on your hive size. This is a very small one, so I do less than a teaspoon. I would do half a teaspoon, and I use a handy dandy hive tool for just about anything these days. So that's about that. Put your protection on, obviously. And I'm going to sound a little muffled, but that's just the way it is. Then next, what you're going to do is plug on your vaporizer. I always keep mine like this, just to keep any sparks. You can hear the load going on already. And this is going to be a little tricky because, see if I can prop this out so you guys can see what's going on inside the hive. And that might be good for right now. I'll fix it up in just a little bit for you guys. Let's see. Okay, I'll fix it in just a second. So what you're going to be looking for is this to start vaporizing. Where is it? There. And once you start seeing some of the fumes start going, I'll take a little bit. And they're starting to melt already. So what you're going to do is lift up the corner of your hive. Enough to get this in there. And then you just let it vaporize. That would be a good view. Maybe this will be better right there. As you can see, it's bubbling up, and then eventually it will turn into fumes. And there it goes. I don't know if you can see that closely or not. Now this doesn't harm the bees any. You always want to take any honey that you're going to harvest out. Otherwise, just leave it in there. But in this case, in this hive, they don't have any honey. It's just starter hive. So you can see, oh, fumes are hitting me already. As you can see, it's getting hot. They get a little antsy in there. And what happens is, I don't know if you can tell or not, they start going away from the smoke. They start vacating the area where the smoke is. Try not to touch the bees because it will burn them up. But yeah, I don't know if you can tell now, but there's a good smoke going in there. And what'll happen is all the bees get coated with the fumes, and actually they'll turn white. And just burn that oxalic acid until it goes away. It's still going. That's a good mist going in there. You see it coming out the top too. That's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, you can probably see. Okay, let me take this out of here and I'll finish it off. Make sure I'm not crushing any bees before I put it down because they're trying to get out. Okay, that's good. Alright, so I don't know if you can tell or not. There's some of the girls in there, their wings are white, and actually the whole body is white. So that's when you know you have a good I just took a big whiff of it. Came right at the top. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Again, do your own research before you do a treatment on your bees. And have a good day.